Hello, my fellow YouTubers. I have some empty cardboard tubes that my vinyl came on from making signs, and I finally figured out what to do with them. Want not, waste not. Stay tuned. The first thing I did was take the tube out to my miter saw, and I cut them to the sizes I wanted. This is what they looked like once I got done cutting them. Then I took one of my sanding discs from my orbital sander, and I went ahead and took off the rough edges on the inside, the sides, and the outside, removing any excess that happened from the miter saw. Then I went ahead and got tissue paper and ripped it up into different size pieces. Then I simply used Mod Podge and put the tissue paper all around the cardboard. Then I hung them to dry. Once it was dry, I went outside and spray painted it as well as some buttons. Then once the paint dried, I brought it back inside, and with a little sponge, a little makeup eyeshadow sponge, I added like a creamy paste in a copper color to the areas of the tissue paper that were sticking up. In the center of the cuff bracelet, I took an acrylic pour skin that I had from my art, and I adhered it to a glass tile using diamond glaze. I also rubbed some copper cream onto the buttons that I had painted earlier. Once they were dry, I went ahead and adhered them to the cuff using E6000 glue, and then I gave the entire bracelet, except for the glass tile, a coat of Mod Podge to finish it off. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you get creative on your own. Please like and subscribe and share if you'd like. Have a great day.